Recovering deleted messages on Payoneer can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is how you can attempt to retrieve your lost messages. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer account. Access your Payoneer account by visiting the official website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you are using a secure network to protect your information. Step 2. Navigate to the message center. Once logged in, locate the message center or notifications section in your account dashboard. This area typically contains all your past communications and notifications. Step 3. Check archive messages. Look for any options related to archived or hidden messages within the message center. Some platforms archive messages instead of permanently deleting them, so it is worth checking this section. Step 4. Contact customer support. If you cannot find the messages in your account, reach out to Payoneer's customer support. Provide them with details about the messages you are trying to recover, and they may assist you in retrieving them. Step 5. Regularly backup important messages. To prevent future loss of important messages, consider regularly backing up your communications. You can take screenshots or copy important information to a secure document for future reference. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of recovering deleted messages on Payoneer. Always remember to keep important information backed up to avoid similar issues in the future.